ever get a check 103 long-range radio error on your Honeywell Vista or Lynx series panel? Stick with me and I'll let you know what it's all about. Hey everybody, your favorite neighborhood tech, John Boroughs with Alarm System Store, and I'm here to talk to you today about the check 103 long-range radio error on a Honeywell Vista or a Honeywell Lynx panel. There are three different things that can cause this, so we're going to run it down for you, give you some things to look for. If you're using a Honeywell Vista or a Lynx series wireless alarm system, and you're not using a Honeywell cellular or IP communicator, then you might have inadvertently went into programming and set a setting that tells the main panel to look for a cellular or IP communicator. That's a common mistake. People do that a lot. Another reason this could happen is that your wiring or connectivity is off or wrong. So you have a wrong wiring connection or a wrong connection there. That could cause that to happen. The other thing that could cause this to happen would be that your radio's gone bad. Your cellular or internet communicator has gone bad, and that will throw a check 103 long-range radio error. So there's three things to look for, guys. Hopefully that gives you a little direction to what to look for when this error comes up. This has been John with Alarm System Store. You guys have a good day.